What's up, Wilkins here, and if you're new to affiliate marketing and you're looking for a way to increase your leads and your sales online, then I have a free affiliate marketing strategy that literally anyone can do worldwide that will allow you to get your affiliate link in front of thousands of people with just a few simple clicks of a button. So if you're hyped and ready to learn, do me a favor and smash that like button and let's get this started. Alright guys, so like always when I make these videos, the first thing we need to do is get you an affiliate product. For those of you who are absolutely new and don't have a product to promote, we can go ahead and check out Worldprofit. This is one of my favorite sites to get digital products from. They have a good variety of products that you can promote online. They have really good stats to them. So first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and hit this button right here that lets you sign up for free. Go ahead and create yourself a free account. And once you sign up, you'll go ahead and you'll see this little screen right here, and this talks about the top products that have been promoting up to the last 30 days. Now if you want to see some stats for these products, then what you can do is you can go ahead and click on affiliate up here and then go ahead down to offers, and then you get a little bit more information about the products once the screen loads up. So you can see the date that it was loaded, how many sales they've got, their conversion rates. You can see what the average sale value is for it, visitor value. You've got refund rate, okay? There's just all sorts of information. So you can just go ahead and pick through one of these products, and when you go ahead and click on one, so we'll just click on this first one, for example, okay? With Warrior Plus, one of the things that you have to do is you have to request approval. So you go ahead and click on it, and then you just go ahead and request offer, okay? Now, usually you won't have a problem when requesting a product. They'll just go ahead and approve you, but if you do, there'll be a link down below that you can use that will give you a couple of templates that you can use to ask for requests for products that'll increase your chances of getting approved. Okay, so once you get your product approved, what you want to do is open a notepad, and you want to go ahead and get your affiliate link and paste it on that notepad so you can have it ready for later. Now, what we want to do next is we want to go to a website called Worldprofit.com. Okay, as you can see, this is a place that's been online since 1994, and they provide a good source of leads for your online make money online or work from home opportunities. This is what they specialize in. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down, because it does take a little bit, but you want to scroll down to where it says join our membership, and you want to go ahead and put your information in right here. And once you log in, you'll get a little upsell like this right here that will ask you if you want to become a silver member. You can go ahead and skip this to log into the members area. Okay, and you'll see this. I know there's a lot on the screen, but don't worry, I'm going to walk you through it real quick. Now, if you want to learn more about Worldprofit, they have this live that's going on, and it's 24/7. Okay, and once you log in, they'll go ahead and address you with whatever your login name is. Okay, and ask you if you need any help, or you need any information navigating this. But we don't need to do any of that today. What we're going to do is come right over here to the left side, and we're going to click on free advertising. Okay, now the very first thing that we want to do so that we can get a massive amount of guaranteed visitors to our product is this right here, 50,000 guaranteed visitors account. Okay, what we want to do is go ahead and click on this right here. Okay, now initially you won't be able to do anything. What they're going to ask you to do is watch this video. When you click on this link, they'll ask you to click on this link and watch a video, and they want you to watch at least 10 minutes of this video. Okay, so go ahead, watch 10 minutes of the video, and once you do that, you want to come back to this page, right, and hit refresh, right, and then you want to go ahead and click on this button again. Now this time, after you click on the button, when you scroll down, this area will be unlocked, and you'll be able to put a link right here. Okay, so this is where you want to go ahead and put your affiliate link right here. Okay, and as you can see, guaranteed visitors 50,000, and so far I've had 1,664 visitors, and I have 48,336 remaining. Okay, so as you can see, this is my landing page right here. This is what people see when they click on the link, and you'll be able to see whatever your affiliate link is, your product that you're promoting. Now I have them going to a landing page so that I can collect the lead. All right, if you want to do the same thing, there will be a card that pops up on the screen where I show you the best ways to make landing pages for your products. And you can go ahead and check that out. But it's just as fine for you to go ahead and put the link straight to the affiliate program that you just grabbed a few minutes ago. You go ahead and put that in this spot right here, like I said, and you'll be able to see the preview of it right here. Okay. So now we have a guaranteed 50,000 leads that are visitors that are going to see our product that we can promote to and get sales. But we're not done yet. Okay. The next thing you want to do is go back over here and click on free advertising again. And now this time what we want to do is we want to go ahead and click on classified ads. Okay, click here. And this will allow us to post a classified ad on their website. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on this button up here at the top that says post ad. And right here, we can go ahead and post our ad that we want to promote to people. Okay, so first things first, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and put your affiliate link right here. So I'll just go ahead and use one of the ones that I've been using. So we can go ahead and put that there so that it's filled in. And then we need our title and we need our classified ad content. So this is what we're going to do. Have a document open and feel free to pause it so that you can use the same thing. All right. But this is what this is the type of ad that we're going to use for our classified ad. So first what we want to do is grab this right here and copy this. Let's see. And we want to post this right here. And now we have our title, okay? Next thing we want to do is grab this right here, copy this, and then we want to go ahead right back over here and paste that in the body. Okay. Now for you, you'll probably have to type it out, or maybe what I'll do is I'll just leave a link to the document down below so that y'all can just go ahead and copy it, download it and copy it. So it'll make it a whole lot easier for you. But now we have our classified ad title and we have the content. Now, because we can't add our actual link in the body of text, we have to put it down here. So what I like to do is add a call to action to click on the link down below, because it is, once you post a classified ad, the link for your product is actually going to be down below the classified ad. So what I like to do is just go ahead and add a call to action and bold it, letting people know that the link will be down below to apply. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is choose categories. Okay. So you can choose 2 categories and 1 directory in the category. So we'll go ahead and choose home business and business opportunity, and we'll check make money online, and we will do let's see, no, we won't do that. We will do business opportunities and affiliate marketing. Okay, so this will give us some categories, kind of differentiate ourselves when everybody else is posting, because you got to remember there's other people posting on this site as well. So we'll spread it out a little bit. So once you have that, all you have to do is click on post ad, and your ad will be posted. Okay. So guys, this is a very slept on site. It's an easy way to get your get eyes on your product. You've got 50,000 plus you've got even more. Okay. As you can see right here, there are now 2,016 sites hosting these ads and growing. So when you post a classified ad, this is the number of sites that it's getting posted to. Okay. So there are going to be a lot of people who actually see your ad. Okay. So, also, you can post as many as you like. There is no limit to how many you post. So you have the 50,000 that are going to see your lead, and then you can post this every single day to 2,000 people. And that's a lot of people that you are putting in front of your product. Okay, again, this is a slept on website that not a lot of people know about. All right, and again, this is all for free. Okay, so with that being said, guys, this is a short one. I just wanted to show you a real quick way to go ahead and get your leads in front of, get your product in front of a lot of people fast. Literally, it's just copy and paste. You take your affiliate link, you paste it in, and you're good to go. Okay, so with that being said, guys, this video is done. If you found it useful, do me a favor and smash that like button and leave a comment down below if you have any questions, or if you would just let me know that you found this useful. And also, guys, in the link down below will be a link to my favorite affiliate program that I like to promote, that I actually put on these sites. It actually popped up earlier, but that link will be down below, so you can go ahead and check that out if you want to know what I'm currently promoting and what I'm using to make money online. All right, so with that being said, guys, this video is done. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Take care.